Christmas. It is Christmas Eve, and we are celebrating with friends and family, and we wanted to just wish you a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!
We just wanted to say that we are thankful for each and every one of you. Our channel would not be what it is without you guys, and you guys really encouraged us through a pretty hard year last year and a pretty hard year this year. So we just wanted to say that we love you guys and we wish you a Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year!
Alright, everyone, let's sing We Wish You a Merry Christmas. Ready?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Glad tidings we bring to you and your kids. Glad tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, God bless y'all, and we hope you're doing great where you are. Goodbye.